Hello again. Welcome to the second episode of Rejoicing. Rejoicing. Why should you rejoice? Why should we rejoice? The devil hates it when you're glad. He hates it when you're glad. Bible says that the thief cometh not but to steal, to kill, and to destroy. Yeah, he is come to make you sad. He is come to make you sorrowful. But guess what? Bible says that Jesus has come to give you life more abundantly, and he wants you to have joy constantly. Imagine Philippians 4:4 says, rejoice forevermore. Again, I say rejoice. That's quite interesting. So meaning that when it comes to God, his desire for us is to keep on rejoicing, 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 rejoicing on repeat, rejoicing on repeat. Guess what? Rejoicing doesn't mean the absence of problems. Remember, Jesus himself said in the world there will be tribulations, but he said, be of good cheer, I have overcome for you. So God is not saying that there won't be a problem. He's not saying there won't be a problem. He understands that the world is full of challenges, but yet he wants us to rejoice. How is that possible? Listen to the next episode of this series.